India, a land of diverse cultures and breathtaking landscapes. In this digital age, travel videos have become a powerful medium to capture and share our experiences. Introducing India Unveiled, inspiring adventures in short travel films, a series that takes you on a visual journey through the heart of India. Through these short travel videos, we aim to showcase the beauty, traditions, and hidden gems of different regions across India. From the snow-capped mountains of the north to the palm-fringed beaches of the south, each film offers a unique glimpse into the vibrant tapestry of this incredible nation. Join us as we delve into India's rich heritage, where ancient temples and architectural marvels stand tall, narrating stories of a glorious past. Explore the bustling streets of colorful marketplaces, where exotic spices and handicrafts reflect the artistic brilliance of local artisans. Venture into the serene countryside, where tranquil rivers flow amidst lush green fields, and wildlife thrives in its natural habitat. Immerse yourself in the cultural festivals and festivities that bring millions of people together, celebrating their diversity and unity. From the flavorsome street food to the royal feasts fit for a king, indulge in the culinary delights that India has to offer. Savor the aromas of spices and experience the variety of tastes that will leave your senses craving for more. But beyond the sights, sounds, and flavors is the rich tapestry of stories. Stories of triumph and resilience, stories of local heroes and their incredible journey, and stories of people whose lives are intertwined with the land they call home. India Unveiled invites you to be a part of these inspiring adventures, to witness the true essence of India through the eyes of passionate travelers and storytellers. So, join us on this visual expedition and unlock the hidden treasures of India, one short travel film at a time. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more incredible journeys.